Alright guys, so Andrew Cruz, so today we're going to be demoing a house.
Okay, here's what we're going to do. First things first, you want to put, see this little piece right there? So I'm gonna first bang it down so you can hear the. So this part is called a hinge. This hinge right here has this little pin. So this pin, what we're going to do, is we're going to force that pin out. So you can't sit like that because you don't have any force with energy. So what you're going to do is you're going to kind of put it right there, and you're going to kind of come out just a little. Put it in there too deep, actually. There we go. So then what you're going to do is you're going to hit it that way. Okay, you do it now. No. So you got to leverage yourself. Come to the side. Come to the side. No. You move to the side. Like move over here. Okay, now turn your wrist like that, move to the side a little bit, and then you're doing it like this, and you're hitting it up so it can go upwards. There you go. Keep it going. It pops right out. No, keep it going. You can pop it out. No, pop it out with it. Pop it. There. Boom. All right, so now I'm good. Come here. Grab the door. Grab the door. Okay. Is it too big or you got it? So now what we're going to do is we're going to put it over here. Now, you're the one in the closet now.
Where is that?
Gloves?
I have the hinges.
How you doing?
Got it. Here, I'll get that bottom one.
Alright, so battery's low, so we're going to probably call it quits in a little bit. So look, at the end of the day, when you're pulling out carpet, we've only been at it for about an hour and 10 minutes. Definitely a lot of work, but remember this, whenever you're demoing, you want to make sure everything's prepped first. Make sure you have eyewear, gloves, make sure that you got plenty of water, something to wipe your sweat. Also, whenever you're taking out carpet, that's old carpet as well, make sure that you first get all the doors out, get all the hinges out first. Make sure everything is secure. Then what you want to do is start with the carpet, rip everything up, then you rip out the tacks on the sides of it, then you rip out the padding, then you actually throw everything out. So you just want to make sure that you're doing everything in order, that you just don't want to miss anything, just because if you miss something, you can get hurt, and you don't want to get hurt, especially wear eye gear, because all these little thumb tags, they actually have wood and spikes in them. So if they come back right at you and explode, because they do explode, you don't want to hit your eye, so make sure you have protection on. All right, talk to you guys. Bye.